Hello everyone. In last session we have seen how to install Node.js and how to write first program of Node.js. In this video we will be seeing how to import core modules and user defined module. Let's start. First we will see how to import core modules. Go to Node.js website and documents and go to the API documentation and you can see so many modules are there here. Go to file system module, we have so many classes and methods which are used for input and output operations, like writing the log to the text file and reading from the text file. So today we'll see how to write log file to the text file using the method called write file sync. Now we'll see how to use this method and go to Visual Studio Code and I will create a new file called log.js. Here I will see how to write the log to the text file. And this will take two parameters. One is file name log.txt. We would like to write the log to the text file, so log.txt, and the log that you want to write. First log message. Now let's run this log.js file. So before that, open the terminal. So you can use the control tilde symbol or terminal, new terminal, node space log.js. You will see the error. So it says fs is not defined. So fs is not defined anywhere. We just used it. So it is not able to recognize it. Before using the fs, we need to import it. I mean, we need to import the fs module. To import the any module in Node.js, we need to use the method called require. Require, and it will take the name of the module. So name of the module is fs. And now we need to store this into one variable. Let fs. You can give any name, not just fs. But here you should give fs only because the module name is fs, so you should give the fs only. And here this is the variable name and we are storing this module into this variable. So this variable name can be anything. Fs write file async. Now go to terminal and clear the terminal. To clear the terminal, use the command called cls and go to log.js, save it, and here in terminal give the command node space log.js. As soon as you enter, you can see that log.txt file is created and first log message is added to the log file. So this how you can write your logs to the text file using write file async, and this is the way you can import the module in Node.js. So if you want to add another log message to the text file and then if you use like this, then you can use the method called append file async. fs dot append file, same as write file sync, it also takes the file name that you want to append the message log.txt and the message. So here I give second log message. Now save it. So go and run the command again. So to use the command again, you can press the up arrow key, which will bring up the command that we used last time, and press enter. And now go and open the log.txt. You can see that first log message and second log message. You can see there is no space and also it is coming in the same line. If we go, just give one space here and run again. Now we have space, but both are coming in the same line. If you want to write the logs in separate line, you can use the some characters like slash n, save it. Now go and run it. Now you can see first log message, second log message, and close it and open again. You can see first log message, second log message. And the same way, if you want another message also, you can simply write third log message. Save it, up arrow, and run it. You can see third log. This is how you can write the logs. And here the main important point is how to import the modules, predefined core modules. Require method you have to use and you have to pass the module name and you have to save this in one variable and variable name can be anything. That is all about importing the core modules. You can go to Node.js website and you can see many modules are there and you can play with them. Now let us see how to create our own module and import the module and use the properties or functions provided by the module. New file person.js, and here I am going to create a variable called name constant name Janu. So I'll be importing the person.js in the log.js. So like the module fs, we can import require. We need to use the required, and inside that we need to mention the relative path to the file. So relative path dot slash, because the person.js and log.js both files are on the same level, so we can use just single dot and single slash, then name of the file person.js. So this way you can import any JS file. So now we just imported this and we need to save this one in one variable. So let's create let person. So now we imported the model, and the person model having the variable called name. And if we go and type here, for example, console.log person.name, let's see what it will give the result. It says undefined. So we have the value called Janu, but still it says undefined. The reason is we declared it, but we have not exported this one. How to export? Statement module dot exports dot, and you can just mention the property that you want to export. Name equal to name. So you are exporting the property called name, and we assign the value name. You can use the anything here. Let's say person name, but you have to use the same variable here, person name. And if we go and run again, now you can see the result Janu here. Whatever the properties or method you want to export, you need to export using the module.exports. Let's say if you want to export the function, so I just write function get person name, and I write, and here return name. We need to export this. If you want to use it in another model, you need to export this one. And same way, module dot exports dot get person name equal to get person name. As I said, this variable can be anything, and but we need to assign some function. So we would like to assign this function to the this method or function. So now if we go and call here console.log person name is person dot get person name, and now go to terminal and use the up arrow and execute. You can see the Janu, that person dot person name, and person name is Janu. Here we call the method. This way you can import the core models and user defined models, and you need to export whatever you want to expose to the other models like properties or methods. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.